back, guys. I'm Brett Winfield, the general manager of 7 Grand Whiskey Bar in the North Park neighborhood of San Diego. And today we're going to make a cocktail using a Canadian whiskey, which is 40 Creek. And the drink we're making today is going to be a twist on a classic cocktail called the Blinker. It's from David Embry's Fine Art of Mixing Drinks from 1948. And the Blinker, which we think has a funny name, is just named after a black eye. So we've made a drink based off of that, and we're calling it the Turn Signal. So, in our version of the Blinker, we've got 1 ounce of fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. We've got 3/4 ounce of house-made grenadine. And we've got 2 ounces of the 40 Creek Canadian whiskey. It's one of the newer Canadian whiskeys to start making some headway in the whiskey world. And it's not new as in haven't been making it for very long, it's just most people aren't aware of the high quality of Canadian whiskey out there on the market today. 40 Creek is one of our favorites, so we decided to do a little cocktail. So we've got our whiskey, grenadine, grapefruit. Just gonna shake that over ice. And this one's served on the rocks, so you don't need to beat it up too much. Throw a couple cubes in there. Strain that out. Give it a little lemon twist just to freshen it up a bit. Express those oils. And there we go, our twist on the classic Blinker, the Turn Signal. Cheers.